Hi, welcome to Sierra High School. We are very proud that you're going to look at a video that showcases our student artwork, specifically in AP Human Geography. You're going to see a directional pole, you're going to see a suitcase exhibit, and you're also going to see a world map. The map behind me right here is, in my opinion, one of the crown jewels of Sierra High School.
We take what we learned in the AP class and we put it out here, we make it in reality, you know? We get a better idea of it.
We set the projector in the middle of the room and we had the whole thing on these giant wood facing lights. And what's it called? We had to tape down the table that held up the projector that was on top because it kept kind of moving and everything. And that's how we managed to do all the lines and everything.
We're getting all these lines, all these little countries over here. It was hard, you know? So we put them down, then we started to fill them in. We did the waters because that was the easiest part. So the longitude and latitude, getting all those lines right.
Well, we mixed colors for the most populations. So for California, this had the most people. And then Texas was the second one, and then the third one for most people.
Me, I had a role in painting the blue, especially what's that one area right here?
This project took 2 months to make. We each did 3 boxes, a big one, a medium one, and a small one. And they all represent a big country, a middle country, and a small country.
Each country has its own GDP, and the GDP helped us basically like find out the height and weight that each country is.
On the sides, we have the name of the countries, the gross domestic product of each of the countries.
Georgia, for example, is 15.16 billion, I believe, and then Spain is 1.3 trillion. So they're all different sizes. Basically, the way that we made these, we had to get big cardboard boxes and, you know, try to round out the corners to make the actual suitcase. We used glue and blue tape to hold it together.
We did a lot of measuring, you know, with the height and the width and the length. The little ones only took just 1 period, and the big ones took a few days, up to 2 weeks.
In total, we have 33 boxes.
The poll that the AP Human Geography students put together actually came about with a discussion with Ms. Strickland and Mr. Ramunian related to the show MASH. And they thought it would be a really great idea to take all those abbreviations and then put them on the poll, just like they did in that program, all pointed in a different direction. This is another example of an installation art piece that merges AP Human Geography with art, and then now applies it and lets the students review on a daily basis and also gives them meaning from a different perspective.
We chose a word that is going to be like in our test for AP Human Geography. We abbreviated it and then wrote the word under it so everybody could understand what the word is. And then in the back is the definition and the word on what it actually means. For example, like the words, we didn't know from the beginning until we actually made it into something like into art. AP Human Geography and this art class go together, a kind of fun way to interact with everything that we're learning.